Today I'm gonna show you how to do a race car noise with a bottle like this. First, you need to get a normal bottle. If it's bigger, you need to fold it from up here like this. If you have a small one like this, just fold it like this all the way. You can see like this. And then after that, take off the lid thing right here. And when you go like this, you might want to do it in here, and you can do it louder. While you're doing it, you can move this. You can go and then move this, okay? Come on, what am I getting? I was doing it right now. Oh, So guys, I hope you enjoy, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out, bro.